Hey guys, it is me, Boss Guy 25DDD here, and today we're going to be playing some Assassin on Roblox. We're going to be playing competitive mode. So last time we got this special magma, as you all know. So we're gonna try and get further on the leaderboard. So I have 300, not that much. It will take me so long to get onto the leaderboard. No data. I think it's playing right now. Yeah, he's playing. So he's probably not gonna get first place, but he'll probably get the Champion X. All I want is the Sunslayer. That's all I want. Okay. Wrong. Please start. Tyler. What does Tyler have? He's got a lot of things. I just want a Spring Saber or something. Actually, now I think about it, they don't look very cool to me. Paintball. Get this. I might just save it for the dragon. It's cool. A Go-Wish. Oh. It's got pretty easy to figure out. Tactics. See, look, I did hit him. He didn't hit me. Come on, let's go. New server. So manas. Nothing good. I feel bad for people who are way higher level than me and don't have anything. When I was like Prestige 4 or something, there's this guy on my server who was like Prestige 20 or something, and the only knife he had was Cal, and he gave it to me for free. Like, who does that? Who does do that? The only knife you give away to somebody. Nice shot. That guy, oh my gosh. Censored. What happened to me? Whatever. It's just a glitch in the game. Go. What? No! I wanted you to go in the goal. Go! Whoop, 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 whoop. We're probably gonna make another Terraria video, but it's gonna be a new series, or maybe building. I'll show you how to build some cool buildings. Yeet. Why are all these people not wearing many clothing? Why are these people not wearing apparel? Oh my gosh. I'm not wearing apparel. I has no kills. Oh, I know. I need to get this match 1000. Oh, hey, it's you, Mr. Braveliest. I hate that knife that he's using. Let's use the dirt. Yes, we have to keep Pon. Guys, soon on my channel, you're gonna be seeing Fortnite. I'm not kidding. Fortnite will be coming soon to this channel. Just wait, and you'll see. Actually, I kind of want holiday, but that's like that. Boop. What would you give me for me? That's not a bad trade, actually. I don't think so, at least. But, oh my gosh. I will have another transformation, guys. Da 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 da. Da da da. I am no data now. Well, not actually. It's just I look like him, and I make everything. Ah! But so good as this. I'm killing everybody but my target. Well, at least. Where the trees from yonder glen, where the trees from your bombs bend, where the trees from yonder glen. Can you? I want to see here. This guy has. I want fire elemental, but I still like this knife though. I like. Azure, I'm never trading that or corrupted axe unless it's for the infamous skeleton king. So I want that way more than I do corrupted axe, but corrupted axe is still really, really cool looking. Oh gosh, there you go. Yeah. Right now, I am gonna be saving for the Cosmic Eye Mythic. It's. What was that? I just saw that guy just jumped off the edge. I know you're just like, I know he didn't mean to, but still, it's funny. Not trying to be rude or anything. I am no data. Just I look like him. Map for a fortress. This is a good map. It used to be, I think, Temple, right? I think I started playing Assassin at the a couple days before the old lobby. Well, it's not that last lobby that looked like it was an alleyway. The one before that looked like it was like weird. I forget. It kind of looked like Temple map or something. Why am I surrounded by naked people? Please don't censor my videos, YouTube. I didn't mean to do that. Oh gosh. Hi guys, it's me, Ethan Gamer TV. He's not actually that bad though. I made Alier's new YouTube channel. Remember that video? And then, I was just joking around. I know Allier is a good YouTuber. Assassin eliminated! Whoa. Smoke weed every day. I'm good at this game, right? Put some clothes on, please. One knife I want a lot is the Demon Heart. Another one I want is Fang. It's really cool. It's Fang. It's really easy to get too. Just I don't have any money to get it. So I can't get it. Anyone have Fang here? I don't think so. I got one. I think my game is broken because everyone is not letting close me. I'm fourth on the server. I barely got any of this video. You guys know that I'm not that bad. You guys know that I'm not that bad. It's a good song. Yay! Ow! Fong. They do not have Zikoi there. Yeah! I made it up into this. Azure looks really cool. It's actually called the Azure Dragon. It's called Azure in this because you know, Azure Dragon is kind of an obscure name. This guy's different. I didn't even mean to hit that guy. I'm trying to hit this guy. Well, guys, guess that's it for this time. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. And supposed to care? Am I supposed to care? Care. Oh, whatever, guys. That is all for this time. Bye.